We never set out with the intention to rewrite the way people learn and teach science virtually. We were just two college students who wanted to see if virtual reality was everything that it promised to be, whether, if it was something that actually worked, if it was something that was safe for kids to use. And the more time we spent with teachers and with schools, we realized that we were onto something really, really massive.
You can't learn science by just watching or reading. You learn science by doing.
My name is Aditya, and I am the co-founder of Inspirit.
My name is Amrutha, and I'm the co-founder of Inspirit.
I have always been curious about the science of learning and the role that technology can play in the classroom to amplify learning opportunities in a meaningful way. This actually led me to pursue a PhD at the Graduate School of Education at Stanford University in the learning sciences, and a lot of my learnings there played a massive role in shaping Inspirit's direction and curriculum to what it is today.
Aditya and I actually met during our undergrad at Georgia Tech, where we just built some simple 360 content using Google Images and just started showing up at schools with a pair of Google Cardboard goggles and some virtual field trips to engage kids with. Seeing the real-time connection between learning science conceptually and then being able to experience it in an immersive learning environment is magical. And that posed quite a challenge at the time.
And it was then that we decided that we wanted to take on this mission to really build and bring meaningful virtual reality and immersive learning experiences to educators everywhere. And that was when Inspirit was born.
We launched Inspirit in 2019. Since then, over 200,000 educators and learners have been using our tools and content to experience science. We've transformed the way science is taught and learned with thousands of tools, including spirits, 3D models, simulations, slideshows, and more. It's beyond anything we ever could have hoped for. Along the way, Inspirit has been lucky enough to partner with leaders in the K-12 science space. And our latest partnership is allowing us to take our mission to bring immersive learning to students and educators everywhere to new heights.
In collaboration with the Meta Immersive Learning Initiative, we have the opportunity to bring free VR headsets to schools and institutions through this VR Starter Kit program. Our mission to enable access to the best immersive interactive science resources for educators around the world is becoming more of a reality.